How to make money on Metro Opinion step by step for beginners. Hey guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel. Today we will be talking about Metro Opinion and how you can make money from this platform. So let's get into it. Now, what is Metro Opinion? What does their platform do? Well, it is a simple way that you can earn money by answering surveys. It's one of the oldest and simplest forms of earning money. But a lot of people ask me, hey, is this still viable? Why do they need so many surveys? Well, the reason that they are paying you to answer surveys is that a lot of these companies, a lot of these large companies need information. They need data about their consumers, about the customer, about their demographic. So that is why it is so essential to be able to answer surveys accurately. And that is why it's essential that you're answering these surveys correctly, not just, filling them out however it is. So you can get upwards of $5 for each survey that you answer on Metro Opinion. Now, if you scroll down on their website, you can see you have 3 basic easy steps. You can begin your registration, and then you will be invited to answer surveys via email, and then you will have to answer honestly. Your answers are anonymous, so you don't have to worry about anything like your personal information being, sold and bought by large data companies. Instead of that, all of your answers on your survey will be used to form, market demographics and all that, but your personal information remains private, and then you get paid once you reach the minimum withdrawal payment on the Metro Opinion platform. Now, you can see it's super easy and simple. People have reviewed it, a lot of the times, and all their reviews are, it's really nice and simple work. And if you're on the go, if you're a student, if you're, traveling a lot in buses and trains, then making a couple of extra bucks using Metro Opinion is super simple and easy for you. Now, I wouldn't recommend this side hustle as a full-time thing, but it is a great way to make some extra cash on the go. Plus, they have easy payments for surveys. So you have PayPal if you want just direct cash. You also have vouchers that you can spend. Amazon vouchers, specific store vouchers. A lot of the times you can get those. Or you can also donate your earnings to a good cause. So they have multiple different payment options that you can choose from. And it's super easy and simple. And if you're looking for something you can do on the go, it is probably one of the easiest side hustles that I have found. So to get started, all you have to do is choose your country. We're going to continue with wherever you are from. So you can choose the country that you are present in. So after you choose your country, you're going to click on Start here. And you're going to click on Start Registration here. And then you will enter your email address and a suitable password. Click on Register. And once you do that, you will be able to click on Increase Your Income. And now I will just click on Login over here. So I will go into my email address. I'm just confirming my login. And once I've done that, now I can go into Login and begin my setup process. So after you have completed email verification, this is going to be the additional information that they require. So first off, your gender and then your date of birth. So you want to make sure you're answering these things accurately because they want accurate answers. That is all. And after that, you're going to enter your postcode and you're going to click on Update. And once you do that, you have to agree to their privacy settings as well because you are, filling out surveys and that can include a bunch of information. Now, after that, you will go into your profile and you can see you will get multiple different questions that you have to answer. So the more detail you provide, the more surveys that you will be matched to because they can easily see, what kind of demographic you are from, what is the information about you, your household information, all the basics of your information so they can accurately match you to surveys. So after that, you will be able to see a bunch of different surveys and then your rewards. And in your reward section, you need to have a minimum balance of $10 to be able to withdraw your money. And then you will be able to also see all of your payout activity. So make sure to answer all of these profile questions. It can be a little tiresome at first to answer these basic profile questions because, they're all boring, but it is super essential that you do so to be able to get matched to higher paying surveys and more surveys that you can get matched to. So this is like the first step that you have to complete, and after that you will be able to see all of the surveys that are presently available to you. So that is how simple and easy it is to get started on Metro Opinion. Now, Although I have said this before, you can get started on MetroOpinion. It's a great platform to make some extra cash. But if these surveys on MetroOpinion are not as suitable for you, you should look for alternatives because maybe MetroOpinion does not value your demographic as much, but another survey platform might. You have other platforms like Survim. So Survim is another online platform that allows you to earn money with answering surveys. It's pretty much the same principle, and you also can do the same things. It's very safe and secure as well. It is one of the platforms that I also recommend alongside MetroOpinion. Then you also have Mobrog. So Mobrog is a paid surveys platform. You can participate, you can use it on your phone. It's available on iOS and Android, and it has some of the highest rating in terms of these online survey platforms in Trustpilot. So you can see that it is one of the most highly rated survey platform in terms of peer-reviewed platforms. So I would say that Mobrog is a good option or alternative to people that are not earning as high or as much as they might want to on Survim or on MetroOpinion. So if you don't have a lot of survey options on MetroOpinion or Survim, you can go onto Mobrog, and you also have Be Social It. So Be Social It is another survey answering platform that you can earn money from, which is going to supply the surveys from social media platforms, how the kind of, the answers that they want for their platform. So these are multiple different survey platforms, and they do the same thing as MetroOpinion. It works pretty much the same, and they have the same kind of principle. All of these do provide PayPal cash outs, which are the safest and easiest ways to cash out. So if you're looking to cash out in a safe manner, then PayPal is definitely the option for you. If you just want cash, then you can get it on any of these platforms and earn money with surveys. Now, you also can get vouchers. Sometimes vouchers might be a couple of dollars higher in terms of valuation, but that really just depends on the platform that they have because they are doing collaborations, and it's easier to get higher money in terms of value with vouchers instead of going with direct PayPal. But direct PayPal is the safest and most secure way to go. So that was it for today. I hope you guys found this video helpful and you are now able to follow along with these methods and techniques that I showed in this video. And if you found them helpful, make sure to share them with someone you might think that may need these. Share them with your friends, with your family, with your cousins, and share them with any business partners that you might have. And it might help you guys a lot to know all of these techniques and to follow along. And if you enjoyed this video, I would recommend that you please leave a like. And if you have any questions regarding this video, regarding any other video, or regarding any social platform, then you can definitely ask me in the comments down below, and I will try to answer as soon as possible because that is the point of our YouTube channel. I want to show you guys on how to glide through these platforms and how to easily navigate and fulfill the purposes that you want to do with these social platforms. And if you have any details that you might want to know, any suggestions, any improvements that you think that I could add on to these videos, then please do leave them in the comment box down below and I will make future videos according to those. And if you have any specific topics that you look forward to, also leave those in the comment box down below and I will try to make videos on those as well. And make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out other videos. And if you feel like some other video might be helpful to someone else, make sure to share our videos with your friends and family as well. And if you find that there is something missing, I will try to figure out a way to integrate more accurate content according to your needs onto the channel. So make sure to tell me if you find anything missing. So that was it for today. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the YouTube channel, and I will catch you guys in the next video.